views of Professor Shad Faruqi that the state cannot impose state sales tax on petroleum products because petroleum products is under the federal list, and federal government can have full authority with regard to dealing in that subject matter of petroleum products. I think the reporting in Dayak Daily shows that Professor Faruqi says that the constitutional power given under Article 95B3 is a general power for us to impose state sales tax, and there is no restriction on whether the sales tax is on items in the federal list. Okay? Cannot be any restriction on the imposition of taxes by federal or state legislature. Right? If there can be restriction, then federal tax cannot be imposed on subject matters on the state list, like transfer of land, which is clearly a matter in item 2C of the state list. Okay? So if that is the case, then we can object to federal parliament passing law imposing real property gains tax and stamp duty or transfer of land. Right? So that sort of argument by Professor Shad cannot be sustained legally. And we say the better view is state and federal government can impose taxation either on their own list or in the federal list, or vice versa. All right. The only consideration is whether the incidence of the tax hit that particular transaction or activity or income generating activity, or is a sale of certain declared items subject to sales tax. Okay, there is no limitation with regard to whether state sales tax can only cover state subject matter or federal subject matter. Okay, if it is true that federal sales tax cannot be imposed on state subject matter, why in the federal sales tax list you have turtle, meat and fresh fish, which according to Professor Shad, turtles and riverine fishing are in the state list. Forestry in the state list, why is there sales tax imposed on wood products like Meranti? So this artificial separation of state and federal list by Professor Shad Faruqi for the imposition of federal or state sales tax is not correct.